Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the detailed process of replacing a compatible panel. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. First, you'll need a precision screwdriver set, which includes both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. A pair of pliers will also come in handy for gripping screws. Don't forget a soft cloth for cleaning and a small vacuum or air blower to remove dust from inside the panel area. Before we proceed, ensure that the device is powered off and unplugged. Safety first. Now, locate the screws on the back of your device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove each screw. As you do this, keep track of them in a small container to avoid losing any. If you encounter any stubborn screws, a little bit of penetrating oil can help loosen them up. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the panel. If it feels stuck, check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Take your time during this step to avoid damaging the panel or the device itself. With the panel off, it's the perfect opportunity to clean the internal components. Use your soft cloth to wipe down any dust or debris. If needed, use the vacuum or air blower for a more thorough clean. This step is crucial for maintaining the longevity of your device. Now, let's prepare the new compatible panel. Ensure it matches the specifications required for your device. If you're unsure, check the model number and compare it with the new panel. Once you've confirmed compatibility, align the new panel with the device. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making this process even easier for you. Carefully press the panel into place and reinsert the screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the panel. After securing the new panel, it's a good idea to perform a quick check. Power on your device to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to get a professional diagnosis without obligation. Finally, let's talk about the importance of quotes before repair. If you're uncertain about handling this replacement on your own, reach out to us for a quote before any repair work is done. This way, you'll have a clear understanding of the costs involved without any surprises. In summary, replacing a compatible panel involves careful preparation, the right tools, and a methodical approach. By following these steps, you can achieve a successful replacement and restore your device to optimal condition. Remember, if you ever feel overwhelmed, we provide services with no calls and no travel required, ensuring convenience for all our customers. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.